Driving in this first fucking snowstorm, October 28th.
At 7:10 at night.
And I'm only going 25 miles an hour. This fucking sucks. With my boy Johnny. Yeah.
Conquering the snowstorm.
Yeah, Johnny!
Yeah, let the work begin.
Woo! And then he got me. This sucks.
This guy.
Wicked bad. And I'm filming myself right now. Hey!
How long does that record for?
Long time.
Sick.
Oh, here comes a car.
Boom! No, just kidding. Oh, we're doing 25 now.
Oh shit, brakes.
Could be a long night.
Yeah, it is. Saw a couple accidents today. 18-wheeler flipped over, car went into the ditch 15 feet down, and then a car right in front of me flipped over. Sucks. What do you gotta say about that, Johnny?
That sucks.
Right?
Yeah, dude. I don't know how we're gonna make it out of this one. Little
Sex.
Ah, got it.
I got you sexed. Head out to my grandmother's, go help her shovel.
Roll the lake.
I'm only coming from freaking Winchendon to Hubbardston. And it's taking us about almost an hour. Right now we're only in almost Westminster right now. Got a plow truck.
Hello, Mr. Plowman.
Oh, another plow truck. What the hell are they doing just sitting there?
As you can tell, New England sucks.
Yeah, don't move to New England.
No way.
Massachusetts sucks right now.
Unless you really, really like winter sports. Snowboarding, snowmobiling,
Drifting.
drifting.
We'll be doing that later.
Yeah. Remember, it's work before play, though. Yeah, we can't get fast enough.
It's okay, my car does that sometimes. Holy crap, we got one of these big trucks here.
Drive, front end loader. Say hi to the big dude.